a plus b equal to 4 times square root of ab. How do we find the value of a over b? Solution: a plus b is equal to 4 times square root of ab. The first thing we are going to do is to take a square of both sides. So square both sides. Doing that, we have a plus b all squared equal to 4 times square root of ab all squared. Let's continue. This left hand side could be written as a plus b times a plus b equal to, likewise, I can rewrite this right hand side as 4 square times square root of ab all squared. Let's continue. This implies that. Now, let us open this bracket. A times a square plus a times b, ab plus b times a, that is also ab, plus b times b square equal to, what is 4 square? 4 times 4, 16. Now, this particular square root takes care of this power. We are left with what? AB. This implies that a square plus AB, that is 2AB, plus b square equal to 16AB. Let's proceed further. This implies that a square plus 2ab, if we move this particular 16ab to the left hand side, we have minus 16ab plus b square equal to 0. This implies that a square plus b square, now 2ab minus 16ab, that is minus 14ab equal to 0. At this stage, let us divide through by b square. Divide through, this is h, divide through by b square. If we do that, we have a square divided by b square plus b square divided by b square minus 14ab divided by b square equal to 0. Let's proceed further. A square over b square could be written as a over b all squared. That is, by using this identity, let's say we have x to the power of n over y to the power of n. This is equal to x over y all raised to n. Let's continue. Plus b square cancel b square. Also here, this particular b cancel one of these b. We are left with 14a divided by b equal to 0. This implies that a over b all squared plus 1 minus. I can rewrite this quotient as 14 times a over b equal to 0. Now, let's x equal to a over b. This means that anywhere we see a over b, We replace it with what? We just replace it with x. So we have s squared plus 1 minus 14x equal to 0. This implies that s squared minus 14x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So let us solve it using quadratic formula. So recall the quadratic formula: x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac all divided by 2 times a. From this equation, a is equals to 1, b is minus 14, c is equals to 1. So x is now equal to, this is minus, what is the value of b? B is minus 14. Minus 14 plus or minus square root of b square. If you plug minus 14 here, we simply have minus 14 all squared minus 4. The value of a is what? A is 1 and c is equals to 1 also, into 1 into 1. Everything divided by 2 into a is equals to 1. Let's proceed further. X equal to minus times minus 14, that is 14, plus or minus square root of minus 14 all square. If you plug into your calculator, that is 196 minus 4 to 1 times 4, that is 4. Let's proceed further. Divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. X equal to 14 plus or minus square root of 196 minus 4, that is 192, all by 2. So the value of x equal to 14 plus or minus. I can simplify this square root of 192 further by writing it as square root of 64 times 3, because 64 times 3 gives 192. So let's continue. All divided by 2. X equal to 14 plus or minus. This whole guy could be written as square root of 64 times square root of 3 divided by 2. Coming. So we have x equal to 14 plus or minus. What is square root of 64? That is simply 8 times root 3 divided by 2. X equal to, you will see that it is possible we can factor out 2 from these two guys. So that will be 2 into 7 plus or minus 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2. X equal to, clearly 2 cancels 2. We are left with 7 plus or minus 4 root 3. You will see that this is a pair of solutions. But our goal is to find what? Our main goal is to find a over b. Since x equal to a over b, so if s equals to a over b, that means a over b is equals to what? Is equals to this 7 plus or minus 4 root 3. So this implies that A over B is equal to what? Is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. And also, A over B is equals to 7 minus 4 root 3. By considering this negative sign, you will see that we have two distinct solutions for A over B. So that's it.